Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to change hotspot password. Click settings, then click connection and sharing. Then click personal hotspot. Then click personal hotspot settings. Then select password. Type new password. Click this icon. Thanks for watching.